Oh crap! Again, no, here we go again. Here we go again.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit Maniac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh crap!
At 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Litchfield to near Hillsdale to near Montpelier, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hudson, Addison, and Cement City around 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Unstead and Clayton around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Adrian around 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tecumseh around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Blissfield and Britain around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Deerfield around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tipton. People attending Lenawee County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan.
Oh crap!
This is No Weather Radio WN 51 from the National